Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is OGOM'S Nigerian YouTuber based in Abuja, FCT Nigeria, and on today's video we'll be talking about most successful businesses for which you can do in order to make more money in this 21st century. When I mean businesses, I mean successful businesses whereby you can start catching out. There are so many people that own businesses in Nigeria. So many people own 3 to 4 businesses and they run it successfully. We all need that source of income, another source of income from our 9-to-5 job. Now we'll be getting right into the video immediately. Now, welcome back. Number 1 on our list is having a clothing line or having a fashion line, be it selling women's outfits, men's outfits, babies' outfits, any outfits that you are selling. You are going to be catching out from it. Now, I'm not saying that business is easy. Business is not easy. No hustle is easy, okay? But women's fashion or women's outfits sell faster than any other thing, because a man can wear a cloth for 3 months and don't even bother to buy a new cloth. But we women, maybe we have an owambe or we have a child education to go to, we will love to get an outfit. Now, an outfit can be ranging from 5,000 naira, and you will put your main gain maybe like 2,000 naira, being that you will post outfits with your data, you will post the shipping for which you have done making it 8,000 naira. So it all depends on the amount that you're selling a particular outfit. If an outfit is costing a cost price of 5,000 naira, your gain is 2,000 naira, your data, shipping and the rest of them is 2,000 naira. That means that particular outfit will be costing 10,000 naira and your gain is 2,000 naira just from one outfit. So selling women's outfits or even men's outfits or even babies' outfit, because babies tend to grow out their outfits so easily. So we mothers tend to buy clothes for our kids. So owning a fashion line or owning a fashion brand is one of the businesses for which you can do in this 21st century, and you'll be catching out. Now, another business for which you can do in order to make more money in Nigeria is snail. Okay, if you are into snail farming or you are into snail business, snail is gold now. Oil well, you will go to market and they will be telling you that 3 snail is sold for 3,000 naira, or even 2 medium-sized snail, they will be selling it for 3,000 naira for you. So if you're into snail farming, let me know in the comment section, okay? I know it's not easy. You tend to have dirty hands always because you're picking snails, but it's also a legit and successful business whereby you can cash out from. There are people that can coach you on this particular farming business. You just have to go online, search for them, and you can start your own snail farming, and that way you can start cashing out. Do you also know that you can dry snails for people and send to them outside the country? That is one thing that Uche does, and UK family also, they all do this kind of business, dry snails and send out to people. So if you're looking for a business to do and you know that you have passion for farming, then snail farming could be a business that you could go into. Another business for which you can go into is selling fitness or weight loss meal plan. When I mean weight loss meal plan is whereby you're telling people what to eat in order to lose weight. You might attach a price for it. I've done that before. I sold mine for 3,000 naira, and you will get to tell people what they eat. Maybe breakfast, they will get to eat fruits and the rest of them. People love to have a meal plan for which will guide them in order to lose weight. Now, if you have a legit meal plan, or you can set out what people can eat in order to lose weight, maybe smoothies or juices, and you attach a particular price for it, fitness coaches are cashing out from this particular business, whereby they're selling meal plans to people, guide them, motivate them in order to lose weight, and in that way they're also making money. Another business for which you can do that is unique is by selling all these osite pots. Okay, I've seen Honey's Kitchen buy pots. This osite pot, I'll be putting a picture here, and she took it, as in she bought it from Nigeria and they shipped it to her outside the country. Now, if you have a plug or you know places whereby people can go to get this particular osite pots, you can start posting them on a page whereby you're putting your own gain. You are just going to market for people, buy that particular osite pots and ship it to them wherever they are. If your mom is into that business, you can start posting them on your page and you add your own gain. There is nothing for you, there is nothing wrong in you adding your own gain while you're making your own business. No, people do it. Post those pictures, post those pots on a page. You can create a page for it, start adding your own gain, and you're sending those pots that big caterers use in cooking for big events. Post them on your page, put your gain, and in that way you are making money for it, and you are solving a particular problem for someone. What is wrong with me? Another way for which you can make money in this 21st century is whereby you're selling ebook for business owners. When I mean selling ebook for business owners, it could be in a hard copy or a soft copy, whereby you're guiding business owners on how they can make 1 million naira in a month, or 1 million naira in a year, or 1 million naira daily. Okay, anyhow you want to put your ebook, it all boils down to you how to make 100,000 naira every week, or how to make 100,000 naira every month. Okay, you're guiding them, you're teaching them how to treat their customers, you're teaching them the strategy that they need to put into their business in order to attract more customers. That is what an ebook is all about. You sell it to business owners, and you can also be a business coach. That is another business. You could be a business coach whereby you're guiding business owners how they can what they can do into what they can activate into their business, or the strategy that they need to put in order to attract more customers to their goods. Okay, or maybe telling them how to sample their products or items. In that way, people get attracted and give them and buy from them. Okay. Yeah. Now, another business for which you can do in this 21st century, whereby you can make more money, is by selling household items. Now, different business owners that sell household items import some of their household items from China. Okay, when I mean household items, I mean things like blender, yam pounder, breakable plates, fancy spoon, mason jars, everything that you know that people need in the home, diffusers, fragrance oil, anything. Household items can be anything. Okay, you are making gain from all those items. If you're shipping a particular item, let me say you're shipping a blender from China for 15,000 naira. After the whole shipping, after the whole processing, your gain and everything, you might put that particular item for 20,000 naira. Your gain inside might be 1,000 naira. Now, imagine if you sell 10 household items for and have a gain of 1,000 naira. That is 10,000 naira in a day. And imagine if you do that consistently for 1 month, you are cashing out. So selling household items could be another business for which you can make in order to have more money or make more money. Now, another way for which you can make money in Nigeria is by selling oron crayfish, selling stockfish, selling dry fish. Now, people like Stella White on YouTube, people like Uche actually sells oron crayfish, but Stella White is someone that you can contact and they will go to market, buy oron crayfish and deliver to you. Okay, when I mean oron crayfish is whereby they go to places that they sell it cheap or sell to wholesalers. They will buy it from there, they will add their own gain, add the shipping. Now, an oron crayfish can cost 25,000 naira for half bag or quarter bag, and you might be adding your own gain 2,000 naira just for 1 bag. And if you get a customer, if you get like 5 customers and your gain in those 5 customers is 2,000 naira, that means you're making 10,000 naira from 5 bags or more, depending on how you buy, because business now, how you buy, you go sell. So selling oron crayfish, selling stockfish, selling dry fish, because they usually bring it in the booths in my office, and people that have purchased that particular item will be one place, they will be sharing it and the rest of them. So selling oron crayfish, selling crayfish is another way for which you can make money in Nigeria. Or another business for which you can venture into is catfish. Now, if you have a pond whereby you are only grooming fish for your own consumption, why don't you turn it into a business? Now, this fish for which you're seeing here, I bought it for 3,500 naira. If you have a fish pond like UK Family, if you have a fish pond, imagine if you're selling 100 fish and your gain from one particular fish is 500 naira. Imagine if you sell like 100. Do you know how much you'll be making? Yeah. So selling catfish to people that are in the market that will sell to the end user is another business for which you can venture into. In that way, you are making more money. Catfish sellers are catching out because catfish is very expensive. If you have unwazo like this, that is very small like this, they will be selling it for 2,000 naira. Unwazo that will not even beleful one person. So Having a fish pond or venturing into catfish will also be another way for which you can make more money. This might cut and join English and with that because you can do. Or another business for which you can venture into is being an MC. Okay, if you know that you can coordinate an event, you can control the crowd, then this job is for you. An MC has charged us 20,000 naira just to organize an event of 5 hours. Okay, let's not say that he charged just per hour, but a whole event, an MC might be charging 30,000 naira, 40,000 naira, because it no easy to talk, it no easy to control crowd. So if you know that you are not shy of the crowd, you can get control of the crowd, you can make use of the mic very well, not the one you be talking, your mouth will be shaky. Okay, this is another business for which you can venture into. This is another job. It's a job because MC people are cashing out weekends or even ordinary days because it's just like a full-time job to them. If they don't have anything or they don't have a 9-to-5 job, if they take up the MC job, it's taking their whole day. People host events every day of the week, but usually on weekends, they are cashing out, okay? A gig might cost them 30,000 naira. They will do it for Saturday. On Sunday again, they will charge another 30,000 naira. That is 60,000 naira. That is how much they have made in a week. Now, imagine if they do it every weekend or every other day in a month. How much are they making? So if you know that you can control the crowd, you can make people laugh, you can make jokes, then MC job is for you. Okay, now another business for which you can venture into, which happens to be my business and I like to advertise it, is selling food. If you know that you can cook crowd food, when I mean crowd food, nyoha. If you know that you can cook nyoha, you can cook food for 50 people, 100 people, 1,000 people, then what are you waiting for? If you finish making yummy meals and people are breaking their hands, licking their hand, then this job is for you. Now, if a plate of food, you're making 500 naira from a plate of food. Imagine if you take people's order, like 10 people's order, and you have made 500 naira in each plate. That is 5,000 naira every day. And you will do it consistently, taking people's order morning, afternoon, night. As in Monday to Sunday, you are making food for people and you are making 5,000 naira daily. Do you know how much you're making in a week? I know some days you might not really have customers, but any day you have customer, you have bulky orders and you're making 500 naira from each plate. You're cashing out. So selling food, making lunch packs for people, making soup and stews in bowls for weekends, like you're taking the stress of cooking from people, that is another business for which you can venture into. I've told people that making your own home food and making food for a crowd is different. Okay, there are people that can make meals for just 3 people. Doesn't mean that they can make meals for 10 people. So if you know that you can make crowd food, when you make food for plenty people, they enjoy the meal, then why don't you take up the business only for weekends if you know that you can't accommodate everything with your 9-to-5 job? Now, selling food is another business for which you can venture into. Another business for which you can venture into is being a drop shipper. Now, what is the meaning of a drop shipper? A drop shipper is whereby you meet business owners or meet brands. You will talk to them that you want to start posting some of their items on your page. You must have created a page. You will be posting some of your items on their page. And when your own customers from your own end indicate interest in any of those items, you are adding your gain. And then them that are the business owners will send that particular items to your own customers from their own end. For example, I am in Abuja and I am posting outfits or I'm posting household items and the person is in Lagos. That is where I'm getting the pictures from. Now there are legit drop shippers and there are people that are not legit. Once you send money to them, you will not see your money. There are legit drop shippers. They will be in Abuja and the items that are bringing to you are from Lagos. You might not even know. All you know is that you're getting your items. Now, being a drop shipper is stressless. You will just add your gain, send the main cost money to the business brand for which you have advertised that product for. They will send those products or those items to your own customer. You can even send your own branded bag to that business owner for which you are working with, so that those items that are getting to your customer is coming in your own branded bag. All you need to do is to add your own gain. If an outfit for which you have posted on your dropshipper page is for 10,000 naira and you're adding your own gain for 2,000 naira. You're sending 10,000 naira to the original person that has those products, and you're taking 2,000 naira. Now, the main person that has those items is the person that will do the whole stress. Definitely, your customer is going to send waybill money to you, and then you will send to the main owner. All you need to do, all these things that I'm preaching now, is that make sure that the items or the goods get to the main customer. That is it. Being a dropshipper, you are just in your house and you're posting items from different brands, and you're talking to them that this is the person that have ordered this particular item, that they should please send this particular item to them. In that way, you are just adding your own gain and adding your data money. Any business you're doing, please, you are using data to post food that you're selling. You are using data to post items that you are selling. Make sure you are always adding your data money in your gain. Anything you are doing, if you're using ingredients to make a particular meal, make sure you are calculating all the ingredients that you are using to make a particular meal. Add it to your cost, everything that you are going to use. Then after adding it and you have finished removing everything, then whatever remains is your gain. Don't go and chop your cost price money and say it's your gain. Your business will fall. No business is easy. Remember, keep pushing, keep posting. If you post today and customer doesn't come, doesn't mean that you won't post tomorrow, because tomorrow might be your lucky day and customers will come to you to buy those particular items. Now, if you have other businesses that people can do in order to make more money in Nigeria or anywhere, please leave it in the comment section. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel. Click on the notification bell, click on the join button, and join my membership, and I will definitely see you guys in my next one. Bye.